Okay, today is June the 26th, Thursday, 2025. It's 2:15 p.m. We got cloudy skies. We're at 70 degrees. It's going to be in the 80s all week, low 80s. Got a breeze coming from the northwest. Yeah, white skies and rain. Gonna get some thunderstorms coming through here. Yeah, can't see nothing today. Cloudy. Very cloudy. Wind feels good. Very windy. Alright. I'm checking in on today's sky. Today's weather. It's good weather here. Air quality is fair. It's at 38. That's what it says. Alright. Post comments below. And click that like button. Don't forget. And yeah, keep your eyes in the skies. Right. Keep looking up. I shall talk to y'all later. Alright. White skies and rain. All right.